What is the boiling point of a solution formed when we add 25 grams of NaCl to 300 milliliters of water? The KF data are in a handout on Desire to Learn. Looks like that. So make sure you download it, okay, because you're going to need that KF data. So we're going to calculate the delta TB by multiplying the KB from this table by the molality of the solute. So the first thing we need to do is calculate the molality of the solute. Molality is moles per kilogram. So we've got to convert grams to moles. And then how do we get volume into kilograms? Well, the volume is 300 milliliters and the density is 1 gram per milliliter. So that means that that 300 milliliters of water has a mass of 300 grams, which is the same thing as 0.3 kilograms. So my molality is moles per kilogram, so moles over kilograms. So that gives me a molality of 0.14259. Now carry out extra decimal places, you're going to be rounding at the end. Because sodium chloride is ionic, it splits up into two ions, sodium ion and chloride ion. So we've got to multiply that molality by 2. Okay, so don't forget to do that or your answer will be off by a big factor. So the molality of our solute is not 1.4259, it's actually 1.4259 times 2. So that's 2.8519 molal. Now all we need to do is figure out what our delta TB is. So we look up the TB constant for water from that table on D2L. And then this is the value we just calculated. We multiply those two numbers together, we get 1.46. And then we're just going to add this to the normal boiling point. If you didn't already know the normal boiling point of water, it's 100 degrees Celsius. That's in that chart on D2L. So my boiling point of this solution is 101.46 degrees Celsius.